Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you were fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class 8 students. Our today's topic as English Assignment 3 discussions. Let's see our today's topic. Class 8 Subject English, Topic Assignment 3 discussion, Term Half-Yearly Exam 2021, Lecture 19. Teacher Ariful Islam, today's date, and this is my mobile number. So my dear students, this is your English Assignment 3 unit and unit title, Unit 2 Food and Nutrition. Okay, lesson number and topics. So lesson 1 good food, lesson 2 kind of food, lesson 3 our daily diet, lesson 4 our delicious dish, lesson 5 our little plant. So in your topic, in your assignment copy cover page, you will just write this one, only the topic, good food, kind of food, our daily diet, our delicious dish, our little plant. Okay, in this topic you will write this one. So what is your assignment? Lesson 4 our delicious dish. Think about one of your favorite dishes. Talk to one of your family member who knows cooking and note it down. Then prepare the dish. Now narrate the steps how you have prepared the dish. So you will now narrate the dish how you have prepared the dish. So lesson 4 our delicious dish. Think about one of your favorite dishes. Talk to one of your family member who knows cooking and note it down. Then prepare the dish. Now narrate the steps how you have prepared the dish. Instructions. Students are asked to observe all the steps carefully and narrate accordingly. Students are asked to observe all the steps carefully and narrate accordingly. Assessment criteria. Excellent. Students will be awarded excellent for relevant information, appropriate content and grammar, spelling, pronunciation, complete communication and creativity. Very good. Students will be awarded very good for relevant information, appropriate content and grammar, spelling, punctuation, partial communication and creativity. Good. Students will be awarded good for inadequate content, error in grammars, spelling and punctuation, mistakes, less communication and creativity. Needs improvement. Students will be awarded needs improvement for irrelevant information, inappropriate content, frequent grammar, spelling and punctuation mistakes, along with incomplete communication and creativity. So name of responsible teacher's mobile number Fatima Sabin Shikha, and this is Ariful Islam. You can contact with us if you face any problem. And last one, your submission date. Submission date of your assignment is 1/7/21. So 1 July 2021. Your submission date is 1 July 21. So my dear students, do your assignment at home and submit 1st July 2021. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.